afternoon, sir. As we are conducting hackathon in our college, as students, we are having some of the doubts to ask you, the faculty. My first question is that what is a hackathon, sir?
See, Nana, on current trend, the coding is very important.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, in the coding part, you may write the small programs, but the industry doesn't want the small programs. They want that everything from the scratch to end,
At
right?
advanced level.
Yeah, everything they require. So that if you want to showcase the kind of event is a hackathon. In hackathon, generally, will provide the hackathon people will provide a problem. They'll provide a problem,
Okay.
and you need to implement that problem. From I just take that travel website. Okay, you can take the travel website as an example.
Okay.
For example, travel website is an application, the problem statement in the hackathon.
Okay.
Then you can take an example of Make My Trip. You need to develop a website kind of Make My Trip.
Okay.
And if they ask the banking system, then you can take any banking like HDFC, SBA. You just take a prototype and you need to implement entire thing from scratch. For that, you require any one programming language. That is very important for us.
As what could be the language which you suggest the freshers who want to learn the language?
Generally, for the kind of applications you require that like Python full stack or Java full stack.
Okay.
But you're the first years. We are planning for the first years, right? That's why we are planning these problems based on the C programming language.
Okay.
So if you are good with the C programming language, then you are able to implement the project. And moreover, here we don't have a restrict. You can use any like a Google, ChatGPT, whatever it may be resources you can use.
Okay.
But the end of the day, the time of submission, you need to, the implementation you have to explain everything.
Okay.
Right? That is in the working prototype you require. Working prototype, and you are able to explain the entire thing of your development process.
Okay. Sir, is hackathon is completely software based or is there any chances to involve the hardware things?
No, it is only software based.
Okay. Sir, is hackathon only building of the applications and websites other than
generally building of the given based on a given problem statement.
Okay.
Right? So the hackathon to hackathon is different, but if you consider the hackathon is a coding fest, a kind of coding.
Okay.
Mainly they'll concentrate.
Sir, what weightage the hackathon certificate add to my resume?
Great question. Actually, if you consider that top companies,
Okay.
right? If you're aiming for service-based company, you take the CTS, TCS. These are all the service-based companies. For service-based companies, generally they are going to offer the package between the 3 to 5 lakhs.
Okay.
But coming to the top companies like Amazon, Google, right, and Flipkart, all these companies are going to hire through the hackathons only. They'll conduct the 8 hours hackathon, 24 hours hackathon, 48 hours hackathon. The performance of the hackathon based, they are going to hire the people, right? When you just take the service based companies, they won't much.
Okay.
That's why they are offering very less salary. If you want more salary, and if you want to work with the product based companies, the hackathon is the only way. And if you consider that Google summer of code is there,
Okay.
Google hash code is there, right?
Okay.
TCS code vita is there.
Okay.
These some examples. Hackathons.
I mean, what type of questions can we expect in this?
It's the same kind of questions. Application development. They'll give the problem statement. We need to implement within the stipulated time. This is 8 hours, or 12 hours, or 24 hours, or 48 hours hackathons are there. So the entire duration, the applicant, the students need to implement the things.
Okay, sir. And there are some details about the hackathon which is going to conduct in our college.
See, this hackathon, yeah. So, and currently for the first years, we are planned for 8 hours hackathon.
Okay.
It's only for exclusive for the first year students. And coming to for this hackathon, we plan 2 rounds. First, the qualifier round. For the qualifier round is going to conduct on 6th and 7th of May, right? In this qualifier round, the test is 1 hour. In 1 hour, 30 minutes. This is 2 questions are there in the test, and 30 minutes and 30 MCQs are there, and 30 minutes 1 coding question is there.
Okay.
In MCQs, we will cover the syllabus of C programming language, 20 MCQs. In C programming language also, we will cover control structures, arrays, pointers, basics of C language. That's all, nothing more. And aptitude and reasoning.
Okay.
And coming to the coding questions, the coding question purely based on the basics of C programming language. Right? After that, who qualified? We'll take the top 250 students
Okay.
and we'll display the list. Right? From the list, students can form a group of 5 members.
Okay.
Okay. So this the fee of this hackathon is just 200 rupees, but it includes the T-shirt and the snacks and e-certificate also will provide. More than that, the knowledge you will get, right? You will get exposure in the first year. Definitely, you may correct yourself when you enter into the final year. The placements point of view, the hackathon is a very good approach to check your knowledge,
Okay.
right?
Yes. What are the skills required to participate in hackathon?
Now, first you require the logical skills.
Okay.
And you're able to think in a different manner. For example, you just take the phone pay now. For example, you want to develop the same kind of application, phone pay, and you need to observe what are the problems with the phone pay and you have to rectify. You just treat you are a end user. So what kind of application you require? Right? Like that you have to think, and like way you need to implement the application.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the answers. Thank you.